We all want to watch contests or games that are hard fought and where opponents pose a stiff challenge to each other. When we come across such matches, competitions, or contests, we can use a wonderful word. But as usual, let's first quickly revise last week's word and phrase. The word for this week is slugfest. As per Macmillan Dictionary, it means a long and hard contest between two equal opponents in which an easy victory is impossible. In a slugfest, opponents are evenly matched and they compete very hard with each other in order to be successful. Let's see some examples. The race for the post of CEO has settled into a slugfest. With both teams evenly matched, the match promises to be a slugfest. The stadium is jam-packed with spectators for what could be a slugfest. A related phrase that will be easy to remember is throw one's hat in the ring. As per Merriam-Webster's dictionary, it means to announce that one is going to try to win a contest, such as an election. If you throw your hat in the ring, you express willingness to take up a challenge. Let's see some examples. One more candidate has thrown his hat in the ring. It being his last chance, Steve has thrown his hat in the ring. Many have decided not to throw their hat in the ring for the top post. I hope you too will not hesitate in throwing your hat in the ring whenever there is a challenge to showcase your rich vocabulary. I'll be back with a new word and phrase next week. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.